Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how to do the screenshot on your Samsung S7 Edge. And this operation is same as you have a Samsung S7 without the Edge. It's quite easy to do. Only thing is you need to press and hold home button and power button together. Pick. You can do the every single page of your phone, as you see. All pictures that you have a screenshot gonna be in your gallery, in your Samsung gallery. Yes, here and here you have your pictures. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can subscribe my channel and see you by next video. Hey.